than good competition. Nothing better than good competition. It's a great thing, and I'm glad we've got Windows. Windows has been phenomenal. The product, the technology, the market acceptance, the brand, and in a sense, one of the most amazing phenomena in our business, whether you go back to that first CES keynote or further back, has been the way that the Windows PC has constantly changed and reinvented and moved forward and spurred other technology innovations. Today, over 1.3 billion Windows PCs are in use around the planet, and that makes it the most popular smart device around.
It's an incredible number.
But things have changed, right?
Of course, things change. That's the essence of this industry. In some senses, maybe the only two things that are constant. Number one, things change. And number two, people don't want to compromise on what they have today. They want the best of what they have and the best of what they want.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chief Marketing Officer, Windows, Tammy Reller.
Well, good evening. Hello, everyone. I'm Tammy Reller, and I'm really thrilled to be here to talk about Windows. I love the PCs in that video, and there really is a great lineup of Windows 7 PCs on the market right now. Let me start by talking about the next generation of Windows, Windows 8. As Steve said, we started the Windows 8 journey right here at CES in 2011. And it's been a busy year. Windows 8 is more than the next version of Windows. It's a new way of thinking about your PC. Steve also talked about Windows 8 as Windows Reimagined. And I want to tell you more about what that means for consumers. Windows 8 is designed to deliver a no-compromise experience. It brings together the potential of a tablet with the power of a PC. Windows 8 is going to give customers the power, the mobility, and the familiarity to effortlessly move between not only what they want to do, but what they need to do. And the flexibility of Windows makes this possible. But enough talk, let's actually take a look at Windows 8. So here I am on the lock screen of Windows 8. And in the lower left corner, I can quickly see the information that matters to me. These are my new emails, my appointments, and other notifications. I no longer need to unlock my device, open up each program to see that there are new things that I need to take care of. And I can personalize Windows 8 so that it really is my own unique experience. Even in how I unlock that device. Here, I'll use picture password to unlock Windows. So in this case, I simply touch the first fish, a couple more fish heads, and I'm ready to go. And just like that, here I am. So here I am at Start. In Windows, Start is your home screen. It's your starting point. And with Windows 8, we've reimagined it to be immersive, fast, fluid, personal, and dynamic. The tiles, they act as a window into your apps without you even having to launch them. They're alive and they're always up to date. Windows 8 is designed to work with touch and with a mouse and keyboard. So no matter how large or how small your screen or screens, you have what you need. So whether you have a 10-inch screen or 4 30-inch HD screens, Windows 8 is going to bring you that no-compromise experience. And I can quickly get to the important things that I need to do in Windows with one swipe of the finger. All I do is swipe in from the right edge to reveal Charms. And Charms are going to connect your app to other apps. They're going to connect to your friends and connect your app to your devices. Charms provide access to key Windows features, and as you saw, they're just one quick gesture or click away at any time. So now I'll actually launch a Metro-style app, and in this case, I'm going to launch a finger painting app. And see how the app uses the entire screen, literally every pixel available. Metro-style apps will have your full attention and focus. And I can easily swipe in from the top or the bottom of the screen to see the app commands. Windows 8 makes sure that the things you want to do are front and center. Windows 8 will run on both x86 and ARM. This tablet that you've just seen me demo on is prototype hardware running on NVIDIA Tegra 3 chip. Silicon partners, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, and Texas Instruments are all working hard with us to bring Windows to ARM, together with our OEMs. And this all means that the widest possible range of PCs and tablets will be available for Windows 8 across architectures, giving customers more choice and more flexibility. Well, of course, Windows 8 runs brilliantly on x86. Both AMD and Intel. This tablet is running Intel Core i5 processor. This tablet we worked on together with Samsung based on their shipping Series 7 design. It's the same device that we gave out to thousands of developers last fall to enable them to start building Metro-style apps for Windows 8. And your Windows 8 Metro-style apps can be available across all of your PCs and tablets, whether they're x86 or ARM-based. And so developers who are writing Metro-style apps can write once and have it run across both platforms. And Metro-style apps are for touch and mouse and keyboard use. Well, I'm ready to show you something new, so let me head out to the Windows Store, which is the one-stop location for all my Metro-style applications. Let me actually show you a little bit more about the store. So apps are what power the new experience in Windows 8, and it does all start here at the Windows Store. The Windows Store will be the source for free apps, trial apps, and apps you can purchase. There'll be as many types of apps as there are people's interests. We want to do the best job of connecting people to as many great apps as possible. And you can see it's very easy to navigate in the store. Let me click on Cut the Rope, this very fun and popular game from Zeptolab. Recently, we partnered with Zeptolab to develop a new web version of the game that's built entirely in HTML5. And it really unleashes the power of IE9 and brings the game to everyone. So Zeptolab saw how easy it would be to leverage this work, this HTML5 work, for Windows 8, and so they did. Well, I have cut the rope on my system, so I am going to have us play a little game of Cut the Rope. How about that? All right, so here we go. safe to say I've mastered the first level. So there we go. Well, let me try the next level in front of the crowd and see how I do. Timing's everything. Yes! Awesome. So, very, very fun game. Encourage you to check it out if you haven't. Alright, so it's very easy to launch apps, and then it's very easy to switch between the apps as well. So very seamlessly, I'm able to switch between all of these apps. And of course, with the Windows Store, I can add new ones whenever I want. Well, the Windows Store will initially open in late February, and it will be the first opportunity for all of you to test out a range of free apps. The Windows Store will be global, available in every language that is offered for Windows, and that's more than 100 languages. Free and paid apps will be available in more than 200 markets around the world, and that's just incredible reach. And the store is not just for consumers. If they want, businesses can actually use the Windows Store to deliver their business apps and updates to employees. The Windows Store is designed to offer something for everyone. Well, everybody loves apps, and we know that they're going to be adding a lot of them, both for fun and for work. And with Windows 8, the more apps, the richer the experience. And one of the cool things about Windows 8 is that you can take these apps and your other favorites and roam across your Windows PCs and tablets. And Windows 8 makes it easy to stay organized with all these apps with a feature called Semantic Zoom. So I can zoom out on this collection of apps, and the tiles become small thumbnails. This is also incredibly helpful for large collections of photos or large collections of files. And with one easy pinch gesture, I'm back. So Windows 8 works great with touch and with mouse and keyboard. I can pan the start screen with my keyboard, or, in this case, scrolling with my mouse, just as easily as using my finger with touch. Finding an app is as easy as starting to type the name of what I want for instant search results. In this case, here, I'll start to type, cut the rope to find the game that I was looking at earlier, and it's that easy. And I can rename a group, so let me actually show you Semantic Zoom using my mouse. And just like that, I've brought up Semantic Zoom with my mouse. And I can rename a group. So let's say this group of applications are the apps that my kids play. And so to make it really simple, I can simply name this group Kids so that they can quickly know where to go to find the games that they play most often. So one of the other things I also wanted to show is how apps can work together to create powerful experiences in Windows 8. We built technology into Windows 8 called App Contract that lets your app opt in to access information from other apps. So let me show you an example of this. I'll open up a newsreader app, and you can see I've got a recipe feed in this case. And so I will select this mac and cheese recipe that I think my kids will like, and so I want to share it with my husband so he can make that for them at home. So I'll swipe my finger from the right to bring forward charms, and I'll use the share charm, which lets me share files with and other information with apps on my PC. So I'll take this recipe, and using a friend send app that we created, send a message to my husband with the recipe. There's veggies in here, so I don't think they'll notice those, and off it goes. And the best part is I was able to share this recipe without leaving the app. And it's great for developers because now they can write apps that work closely with Windows features like sharing and with other apps to make the experience better and even richer for consumers. So let me show you how I can work with two apps at once. So let me bring up the familiar desktop, which is just one click away in Windows 8. and I'll open up this Word document. So one of my New Year's resolutions is to do my part to help the family eat even healthier this year. So I've been compiling a list of recipes. I can't cook, but I can compile, so that's what I'm doing. So if I want to refer back to the mac and cheese recipe from earlier, I can bring that in and use Snap and actually view this side by side. And this saves me time, and it lets me see these two apps at once. And apps, they know how to best display their information in this vertical format, as well as with the full screen. Well, there's more information here that I want to see. So I'll go to this story in the Newsreader app and launch the new Metro-style Internet Explorer. With Metro-style IE, websites are immersive, as you can see, and they use the whole screen. This site has my full attention. When I want to see my open tabs or the address bar, I just swipe in from the bottom of the screen, just as I do with other Metro-style apps. And when I touch a web page, it is immediately responsive. It literally sticks to my finger. Panning is smooth. Zooming is easy. So let me zoom in on this story. It's immediate, very smooth. And now, in this case, I'll follow a link and actually finish this story. And again, the site uses the full screen and has my full attention. And to go back, I can just swipe and I'm back to where I was. Browsing here is natural with touch-first browsing. So Metro-style Internet Explorer delivers plug-in free browsing, relying on the power of HTML5 so that it's possible to experience the safest and most reliable browsing available. So for example, people spend a lot of time watching videos on the web. So here's that same video that we were looking at earlier on the big screen, running here in HTML5. This is the power of an HTML5 video. The new Metro-style browser takes advantage of hardware acceleration to offer a great playback experience. So what you just saw is a small slice of Windows 8 with so much more to come. Windows 8 will offer a no-compromise experience, the best of consumption and creation, of portability and power, of new and familiar. We're excited to show you more as our Windows 8 work continues. As we talked about in December, our next big Windows 8 milestone on the path to availability will come in late February. We hope you'll download it and check it out. So what we have coming in the future with Windows 8 is exciting. And we also have a lot of very cool things going on today. And nowhere is this more illustrated than through the range of stunning PCs that are available right now. So I wanted to take just a very brief moment and give you a closer look at two of these ultra-portable new PCs that Steve was talking about that were announced earlier today. So here is this new HP NV14 Spectra Ultrabook. And it's very attractive with a glass design that's incredibly durable. And the sound, awesome, beats audio. This is a great PC for music lovers. And then we've got this next generation Samsung Series 9. It's stunning. It's less than 13 millimeters thick and weighs just over 2.5 pounds. One great thing I'll also add is it's now available in 15-inch. And this is really the first 15-inch ultra-portable that I've got to play with, and it is incredible. So check that one out as well. And then in addition to the PCs we have on display here, Dell is planning an announcement tomorrow about another amazing new Ultrabook. So please watch for that and check it out. This is the perfect time to get a new Windows PC. Windows 7 today, Windows 8 tomorrow. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you. Good luck with the New Year's resolution. The mac and cheese looks good right about now, too, doesn't it?
It does.
All of this. For us, please welcome the Tweet Choir.
Keynote, hashtag. This man is not every it's hilarious. Yes, it is. Somebody call Eddie Murphy at Arsenio Hall. No Columbia 900 is coming to America, and it's a movie for Prince.
For the Tweet Choir, please dial 1-866-IDLES-O. Wrong
You
stage.
got one in, bud.
Wrong stage. All right. Very, very cool. And to see them do that live, fascinating. So let's keep moving. 10 years ago, Steve, if I were to walk up to somebody on the street and say Xbox to them, they would probably give me a blank stare. But now Xbox is at the forefront of games and entertainment. Did you expect to go from ground zero to a household name when you set out to do this a decade ago? Yes.
I was optimistic. I was bullish. I was patient. All of the above. You know, in a sense, Xbox kind of represents the best of a part of our DNA that we're really proud about. We make these big, bold bets, we invest for the long term, and we make exciting things happen. We're 10 years later. We're the world sales leader in the last year for consoles, which is exciting as that. We have over 66 million Xbox users. And perhaps the most amazing thing is we have over 40 million Xbox Live subscribers tuning in on a regular basis for a variety of different entertainment experiences. Some for games, mostly in the last year or so, for a lot of family entertainment, and increasingly in the last months, and with some of what we show you today, really an entertainment hub. for live TV, on-demand, videos, movies, news, social, music, and of course still games, but morphing, changing. So, did I expect it 10 years ago? No, I bet on it 10 years ago. And that, I'm excited about that.
I like that. I like that. So a little bit of everything there. Are we going to get a chance to see it?
I think we can show you a little bit here. You know, we've done some things to try to make it just beautifully easy.
Yeah.
To put you and to deliver the entertainment that you want with the people you care about, and, Brian, and make it easy.
So when you say easy, let's talk about that for a second. It seems like you guys you're doing new things, offering a different kind of entertainment experience. Would that be?
I think that's a fair way to say it. Yeah, I think, and what we'll show you tonight, I think it's even more different. Even more different. Connect is certainly a big part of this. It's a leading example of what we all like to call natural user interface, where the technology kind of disappears and it's just you and what you say and what you do and how you act that the computer's interpreting and making decisions. We've shipped over 18 million, in essentially a little over a year, over 18 million of these Kinect sensors. And I think Kinect, particularly as we now integrate Bing, which you're so familiar with, into the Xbox and Kinect experience, it'll really transform the TV experience. You just say it, and Xbox goes and finds it for you.
Say it and finds it for you. All right, let's take a look. Please welcome to the stage Craig Davison from Microsoft's Xbox team to show us what's new on Xbox.
Thanks, Ryan. You're looking at the new Xbox experience, launched in December, where all of your entertainment, games, movies, TV, music, and friends live in one place. Where the new Metro design is central to the experience. Where the only controller you'll need is your voice. Where you can ask Bing to quickly discover the content you want, and where you'll find on-demand and live TV. Let me show you the magic of voice with Kinect. Xbox, apps, video, games, music, social. There's all the people I care about. Games. My games. Simply by using my voice, I can quickly pull up games like Gears 3 or Kinect games, where I can burn a hole in the dance floor, fly through Disneyland, or throw the touchdown pass with Kinect Sports Season 2. And now with Bing, you say it, and Xbox finds it. Xbox, Bing Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. A single voice command, and I can search across everything available now on Xbox. Movies, TV shows, games, soundtracks, they're all there. How about another search? Xbox, Bing Star Trek. Yeah, it's true, by the way. I'm a total treasure. And there's the movie I'm looking for. Xbox, Star Trek. We just searched across the entire Xbox catalog to find the providers who offer this movie. You can't get this kind of actionable discovery anywhere else. But discovery on Xbox, well, it's about more than just titles. What if you want to search by actor or director? No problem. Xbox, Bing Josh Duhamel. I started watching Josh in Transformers Dark of the Moon last night, and I want to resume where I left off. Xbox, Dark of the Moon. Zoom. Xbox, resume. I can use my voice to to fast forward, pause, or rewind the movie. But like many people, I tend to watch and play with more than one device in my living room. Wow, check it out. It's a new Nokia Lumia 900. These things are everywhere tonight. Just as I searched using my voice, now with the Xbox Companion app on Windows Phone, I can search across Xbox, and I can control my Xbox, all with my voice. With my phone. I can even quickly go to the BCS National Championship live on ESPN. So spoiler alert, if you don't want to know the score, look away now. I can open the ESPN app, check out the game. Or Alabama is killing it. And if I want, throw it right up on the big screen. Now, TV is about more than just sports. On Xbox, we're partnering to bring you all your favorite TV shows. Let's check out the Verizon Fios app on Xbox, which is now available. Xbox, go home. Yes. Xbox TV. Program Guide. 26 of the most popular TV channels from Verizon on Xbox. What's being broadcast live right now. With more TV, including a growing on-demand library coming soon. And now I'm thrilled to add that Comcast will soon be launching on Xbox, providing Xfinity On-Demand's huge library of top shows and movies. I'm also pleased to announce a partnership with News Corporation that'll bring Fox broadcast programming, the Wall Street Journal, Fox News Channel, and IGN to the Xbox service. The new Xbox Fox app will feature all of your favorite shows, including Family Guy, House, New Girl, The Simpsons, Fringe, Bones, and Glee, all on demand. All of the News Corp apps are scheduled to launch on Xbox in 2012. These entertainment leaders join our growing lineup of great TV and entertainment partners on Xbox, including AT&T Uverse TV, TELUS, Telefonica, and many more. With lightning-fast voice control with Connect, a world of entertainment content, and the ease of discovery using Bing, Xbox is your all-in-one entertainment device for the living room. All the experiences you just saw are available now. But what comes next? At this very moment, we're working with some of the world's best-known brands, creative artists, and production companies to create unprecedented new experiences for the TV. Soon, you'll move away from one-way experiences of just watching TV to two-way experiences where you'll engage with the TV. To show you what this looks like, please welcome my colleague, Jamie Bauer, and her friend, Ainsley.
Hi, everyone. Today, my friend Ainsley and I are going to share with you Connect Sesame Street TV. It's one of our first initiatives in delivering two-way TV. For a decade, Xbox has been a leader in delivering really engaging video game experiences. Well, today we're going to take a little peek at something that is not a game. In collaboration with our partners at the Sesame Workshop, we've taken their current episodes from their season that's running right now, and we're turning them into fully interactive experiences. For the first time, you can physically and vocally impact a TV show. So I have a little one, 2.5-year-old Tommy, who when he watches TV, he's right in there. He's dancing, he's jumping, he's singing, he's talking to the characters. Do you ever do anything like this?
Yes.
Has the TV ever responded?
No.
Would you like to see what happens when it does?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go watch and play Sesame Street. Oh, okay, so here we are on the street.
That delicious dessert with phyllo dough.
It looks like Cookie's getting distracted by baklava, and he's left his skateboard on the street. I sense something's going to happen.
With a box of 4 coconuts.
Now, what was the number of the day? We knew this. Yes.
Post-haste.
And for the first time on Sesame Street, Elmo introduced a move of the day, which is throw. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the episode. Oh,
Oh dear, I seem to have spilled all of my coconuts. Please help me. Pick up a coconut and throw it into my box.
okay, so at this point, I think he's asking you to do something. Gaines, what do you think?
Throw a coconut right to me.
Throw a coconut. Okay, good time. It's right in your box.
Now I have 1 coconut in the box. 3 more coconuts to go. Get ready to throw another coconut.
So now sometimes watching Sesame Street is fun when you're just watching. So what do you say we give it a try to not doing something? Okay. Yeah, sit back.
All you coconuts, come in, coconuts.
Nope.
Oh, that funny looking dog. Hey, that coconut. Monster dog.
Yeah. Slam dunk.
2 points. Thank you, Cookie Monster. Now I have 2 coconuts in the
Thanks
box.
to Cookie.
Your turn. Throw me a coconut.
Want to do it again?
Here we go.
Okay.
Throw me a coconut.
Oh, you bought
Nice.
it.
Oh.
Okay, good one.
Now I have 3 coconuts in the box. 1 more coconut to go.
One more to go.
And then throw another coconut.
Let's see what happens when you really get into it. Okay, like a big one, like a granny or something big. Well done. Got it.
We did it! Now there are 4 coconuts all together in the box. Let us count to make sure all of the coconuts are back in the box.
Let's count.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect.
all together. You did it! Thank you!
Okay, so this was an example of totally interacting in a different way, two-way, TV way, with Sesame Street, where we get to throw something with our favorite characters, Cookie and Grover. Now, there's another kind of experience you're going to see us deliver. What do you say we take a look at what happens when we bring Sesame Street into our living room? Okay? All right, well, we know this kid. This is Tommy's favorite. Where are we going, Ace? You got it. There we are. Oh, look what happens when I do that. Can you, okay, nice. So just play around, you know? Oh, can you get the tiger? Make him scared? Good job. Oh, monkey, what happens when you touch the monkey? So there you have it, a first look at Connect Sesame Street TV. TV for your living room in a two-way fashion is coming later this year and only on Connect. Thank you very much.
Now everybody gets to line up one by one and connect the coconut. Very cool. And it's so cool to not just be watching, but be a part of it.
Absolutely. You know, with the stuff you just saw, though, we're just getting started. The number of things you can do with interactive, entertainment, video, and interactivity mixed together, it's going to be amazing.
Well, that's what I find interesting is how people are starting to think about applying the magic of Connect far beyond entertainment.
Yeah, really the ability for the computer to see you, to recognize you, to hear you, it really sparked imagination. And just as Connect revolutionized entertainment, we'll see it revolutionize other industries, education, healthcare, and many, many more.
It's incredible. Let's take a look at what people are sort of drumming up right now, shall we?
Great.
Let's do it. What's this?
We started with a sensor that turned movement into magic. Now the world is imagining things we hadn't even thought of. Unexpected things. Hopeful things. Inspiring things. Which is why, when the world asks what's next for Keynote, we ask the world the same thing.
Tonight, I'm thrilled to announce that Connect is coming to Windows on February 1st in just a couple of weeks. We're already working with more than 200 companies on unique Connect for Windows applications. The breadth of what they're doing is mind-blowing. From United Health Group, Toyota, Telefonica, Mattel, American Express, and many, many more.
So we've seen what happens with Windows Phone, Windows PCs, and Xbox. But it's not everything going on at Microsoft, is it?
Not by a long shot, Brian.
What else?
For asking.
What
Thank
else?
you. Well, let's just give a couple, three things. First, let me talk a little bit about Sync, which we've worked on with Ford. Sync is now installed, powering intelligent experiences in over 4 million Ford vehicles since 2007. And I think we'll reach 9 million additional cars in the course of the next 3 years. Office 2010 has really shot through the roof. When people ask me, is there a lot of innovation left? It's the fastest selling version in Office history. And we haven't stopped there. We pushed Office on into the cloud with Office 365 and have what I might call nothing other than a stunning success rate in competition with the other guys in cloud services. Since the CES show last year, we acquired Skype. Skype's amazing. 200 million people who used over 300 billion minutes of voice and video in the last year, including, I think one day we reached over 1 billion in the time since we first made the bid. And of course, the product at Microsoft, maybe you know the best, even Bing, where we've reached 30% market share in combination with Yahoo here in the United States. And we've really pushed on innovations to help people accomplish tasks and to help their friends, help educate them in partnership with Facebook and Twitter and a number of others.
You are busy. Big numbers there. So I think we're almost out of time. So one final question on your final keynote event this evening. What's next?
There was a real level of finality in that.
What's next?
What's next?
You know something.
Windows 8 is what's next. The next milestone's in late February, and then boom, on to the shipment of Windows 8. There's nothing more important at Microsoft than Windows. And delivering the kind of no-compromise experience with the dynamic Metro user interface that Tammy described. You saw Metro in the phones. You saw Metro in Windows. You saw Metro in Xbox. It's everywhere. Tablets, PCs, phones, TV, and Xbox. And you'll experience more and more natural user interface through Metro as we had a chance to see in the Connect demonstration. Together, all of us in this industry, in thousands of new ways, even new ways that we haven't imagined yet, will use the software and services and devices to invent incredible things. Metro will drive the new magic across all of our user experiences. In the new math at Microsoft, Metro means that 1 + 1 really does equal 3. So in 2012, what's next? Metro, Metro, Metro. It's all right, I gotcha. And of course, Windows, Windows, Windows.
By the way, I think that is the for your time. Thanks for the great work that you guys are doing and sharing it with us. Very exciting, and it's a pleasure to be on the stage with you guys. You're fantastic partners. So thank you very much.
Thank all of you, and thanks to Ryan.